Hey everyone, Marcus here. Today I'm diving into one of the most mind-bending advancements in biorobotics, cockroach cyborgs. Yeah, you heard that right. Scientists at Osaka University have figured out how to turn cockroaches into remote-controlled agents using UV light. I know it sounds like sci-fi, but this is real. So how does it work? Picture this. A tiny lightweight UV-emitting helmet sits on the cockroach's head, paired with a wireless sensor backpack. By activating UV light on one side of the helmet, researchers can steer the cockroach in the opposite direction. It's all about leveraging the cockroach's natural aversion to UV light. Brilliant, right? Oh. Here's the kicker. In their tests, a staggering 94% of these modified roaches successfully navigated complex mazes compared to just 24% of their unmodified counterparts. That's a massive leap in efficiency. And it's not just about making cockroaches do tricks. This tech has the potential to be game-changing for search and rescue missions, especially in places too dangerous or tricky for humans to navigate. But hold up. What about the roach's well-being? The team has thought of that too. A motion detector ensures the UV light is only active when the insect is stationary, conserving energy and minimizing interference with its natural movements. It's a careful balance between tech and respect for the natural world. The possibilities for this technology are pretty vast. Imagine these cyborg roaches equipped with sensors for temperature, gases, or even structural integrity. They could provide real-time data in emergency situations, making them invaluable for monitoring hazardous environments without putting human lives at risk. Now, this isn't just about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. It's about merging biology with robotics in a way that respects and aligns with the natural behaviors of organisms. It's a glimpse into a future where biohybrid systems could play crucial roles in everything from disaster response to environmental monitoring. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of cockroach cyborgs, or does the idea give you the creeps? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.